I told you we'd also take a look at using snapshots. And so you'll see here that I've got 3 snapshots. And these snapshots will be saved with the image. So when you go back out and back in again, you can take the image back to whatever point in time you create the snapshot for. So what I had done to create, say, this pre-adjustment snapshot is I went in and I selected all these layers. I deleted them, and then I created that snapshot by clicking that little box with a plus in it, and I called that pre-adjustment. Hit OK, and now you'll see we've got this new pre-adjustment layer. So if we go back to final, and the check mark button will restore the snapshot, takes us back to our final. We go to pre-adjustment. We click on that, takes us back to the pre-adjustment or back to the original. And to do the original, I took the pre-adjustment where I had all the adjustments removed. Then I went back into the Develop Studio and I reset all the values in the Develop Studio. So this is really back to when the image was initially loaded, all the way from there to the final image. And actually this final image that was saved was based on my previous test edit. So in here, we could go ahead and get rid of those elements that we had gotten rid of and have a new final image. So I still have the in-painting tool selected. So we'll select that rock. And as you can see, we do have current layer and below. We're going to select this item right here. And it will disappear. There we go, it's gone. And then I can then create a new snapshot by clicking the Add Snapshot button, and we'll call this New Final. Enter. Okay, and if we go to load up the final again, those elements are back. Go to the new final, load it up, the elements are gone. I hope you learned something from this video. If you liked what you saw, please like the video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. Have a great day.